Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a knife out of just some sheet metal from Lowe's, just like this piece here. So yeah, let's get into it. As you can see, I've built this little nook in the corner here, specifically made for grinding and metal so the sparks go away. First step is going to be to start cutting into this. So I'm going to go with the easiest cut first, which is going to be this one. Then I'll go here, and then here, and then here. And to do this, you are going to want a grinder just like this one. So you're going to want a blade that is made to cut metal. Our first cut, we just want to get a little groove going down to the bottom there. And then you want to start getting on the top for your path for the blade to follow. Alright, we got our second piece off. Give it a little spray. Now we'll just like that. Nice and easy. Next cut will be this one right here, and then we'll make our way back. So here we are. We have cut that piece, this piece, we've cut into here. So next step, you're going to start in the back, and then make our way forward. There we go. That is a general shape of what our knife is going to look like. For the next step, we are going to use this stick, and we're going to go like this with the grinder and get all this gray paint off of it along with the Sharpie. Once you get your blade to the level of cleanness you want, you're going to take either sandpaper or an orbital sander like the one I have, and you're just going to smoothen out this to get all the rough edges out. Once you shine up your blade, you can put your handle on it. I used a certain type of rope when you could make a wood one, and just like that, we have a beautiful little knife. I'm pretty proud of this. I think it looks really nice. You can make some finishing touches with just some sandpaper and a file to get that perfect blade. But other than that, it's pretty good. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.